and welcome to Behind Bars in New York. Today, I'm going to install foot pegs that I ordered off Amazon on my 24 KLR 650S ABS version. I picked this up last week. I got a couple hundred miles on it, about 160 pavement, about 40 trails, forest. I'm coming off a road glide, and I really like this bike. For the price out the door, the accessories are less expensive than Harley's, and this takes me places that my Harley can't, like seasonal roads, forest roads, and straight up trails. Um, I'm really digging it. So I'm going to install the foot pegs. These rubber ones that are stock, I noticed when I went through some puddles, the tops get really slippery and your feet tend to slide off. So I ordered some motocross pegs and I'm going to put them on. So hang out for a minute and watch the installation video, and maybe I'll learn something and maybe you will too. Well, these are the foot pegs I ordered off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. They're made by JFG Racing. They're billeted aluminum. I got the green because it's a Kawasaki. So they have studs already in them, and they come with spare studs in case you lose one or it comes out. Also springs because they are spring loaded. They look to be really well made. So let's get to the install. So the only tool you're going to need is needle nose pliers to remove the sear clip under the peg, which is in this location right here. And all that does is you get the pliers and pull it right off. Let me see if I can get a little closer. All right, here goes nothing.
Oh shit.
I got it off and it flew, but I found it. So that's the clip that comes out. Save that clip, you're reusing it. And then you just push the bolt out and remove the peg. Now I'm going to grab the pegs and I'll be right back. Okay, continuing on. So here's your peg and here's your spring. So you notice how you have a longer angle here and a short one here. So what you do is the short one goes towards the inside of the peg and the long one goes towards the outside because it's going to sit right here in the bracket. So now you put this in. Now you're going to have to push down on the spring because of the tension to get the holes lined up. So now I'm going to lay on the ground so I can see where I'm at. And there we go. It's through. Now you get that little circlip to put back on, which holds it to the bracket. And all you do, don't lose it. Rule number one, don't lose it. And there's a little slot that the circlip sits in. I'm going to use the pliers to try to put it, line it up. It might be easier. Might be easier. Okay. I'm really going to get this, trust me. I'm not going to edit this out because people edit shit out and make it look way easier than it is. I'm just a common man struggling. And click. You actually hear it click in. So now we're spring loaded, and that's the right side onto the left. Okay, here we are on to the next side. I hope I don't have as much trouble with this side, but who knows. So again, I'm going to remove the circlip first. This side's lower. I should have done this side first, because this side's going to be more of a pain in the ass. I can already tell. All right. Well, the circlip flung, so I'll be looking for it. I'll be right back. Found it. It actually landed in my garage door groove, so it only took me a couple seconds. I heard it ping off the garage door. Back to it. So now we take the bolt out just like we did on the other side. So again, the spring, peg. So this is going to go towards the back side to where it sits in. And the small angle goes towards the peg. So we slide it in. And again, we're going to have to put tension on the spring so it lines up. And that's it for the install. After I take it for a test drive, especially in wet conditions, I'll let you know what I think. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, subscribe. Ride safe.